Greetings to everyone in the Better Bones community. Today I want to tell you a little secret about myself. I actually plan to live a very long time, and I need to live a very long time because I want to learn a great deal in my life. I want to learn, of course, more about bone health so I can help all of you. We have discovered some very fascinating things. I want to learn about all the types of poor bone health and all the ways we can correct it. I want to learn about my own spiritual development and all the advances I can make for my heart and soul. So I want to live a long time. As an anthropologist, then, I sit down and say, well, if I want to live a long while, where should I live? Which countries have the greatest health, the greatest longevity? So I ask my question, what country has the greatest health and the greatest longevity? And the next question is, well, maybe it's the countries that spend a lot of money on healthcare, that put a lot of their resources into healthcare. So I ask you the question, which country dedicates the most resources to healthcare? You probably all guessed, the United States has the most expensive healthcare system on the planet. We spend more money per capita in healthcare than any other country. Yet the United States leads the world in chronic diseases. So already I'm tipped off that there's a little problem here. Then I ask myself, looking around the world, how does the U.S. really rank for health and longevity? We spend a lot of money. How do we rank on health and longevity? And sure enough, I find out, according to these international sources, that there's 42 countries that rank better than us. We're 43rd in the world for health and longevity. Not such a good record. Many, many countries, 42 other countries, would be a better place to live if I wanted to really live longer. Places like Monaco, Japan, Iceland, you'll see them all listed here, Switzerland, and there are 42 other countries where I would live longer, most likely, if I lived there. So the point of all this is that we as individuals must take responsibility for our health care. So many times I see clients say, well, my doctor wanted me to do this for bone. My doctor thought I should do this. I'm suggesting that we each take more responsibility to learn about our situation, to learn everything we can do to maximize our health and extend our well-being. Because if we depend on the medical system, we're going to be behind 42 other countries. So it's my pleasure to tell you that here at the Center for Better Bones, we're dedicated to building better bones and a better body. I myself am planning to be a long while around to watch you all grow and succeed. If you want to have some fun with us, if you want to learn our complete program for building better bones and a better body, join us for our next retreat. It's going to be at the Himalayan Institute, Northern Pennsylvania. It's going to be early May. It's going to be a lot of fun. You'll meet with a small community of women really interested in taking charge of their bone health, and you'll learn just how to do that. In the meantime, have a great day, and I hope you do join us at the retreat.